Only have 12 days? That's all you need to fall for Vietnam. Not just the sights, but the stories behind them. Vietnam isn't one single story. It's a mosaic of traditions, landscapes, flavors, and faces, shifting from the misty peaks of the north to the pulse of the southern streets. This 12-day itinerary is for travelers who want to go beyond the postcard moments. To listen, to taste, to feel, and to remember. You'll land in a city where ancient banyan trees cast shadows over buzzing streets. Settle in, stroll by the lake, watch the city breathe at golden hour. Let Hanoi introduce itself slowly. Start your day at the Temple of Literature, then visit the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum and nearby historical sites. By noon, sip a strong egg coffee at a tucked-away cafe. Here are some of our recommendations. In the afternoon, walk through Train Street or relax by West Lake as the city winds down. Head east for a cruise across Ha Long Bay's towering limestone cliffs and quiet coves. Kayak through emerald waters. Explore caves. Sleep under stars on a wooden boat. There's no rush, just the rhythm of the sea. Wake early and greet the bay's morning stillness. After breakfast, cruise back to shore and return to Hanoi. Dinner is your chance to revisit a favorite dish. Maybe bun cha or pho at a tiny shop you hadn't noticed before.
Delicious.
Fly south to Hue, poetic, reserved, and full of grace. Visit the Imperial Citadel, walk along the Perfume River, and end your day in a peaceful garden cafe lit by lanterns. Journey along the Hoi An Pass, where clouds kiss the coastline. Stop at Marble Mountains, then continue to Hoi An, a place of tiled roofs, yellow walls, and stories carried by the river breeze. Ride a bicycle through the countryside. Try basket boating in the coconut groves or join a cooking class in a family home. When night falls, float a lantern and make a quiet wish. Relax on Bang Beach, shop for hand-tailored clothes, or venture to the Mekong Sanctuary for a glimpse into the Kampa Kingdom. Whatever you choose, let it be slow and meaningful. Touch down in Saigon, where street food meets skyscrapers and every corner buzzes with life. Explore French architecture, local markets, and alleys filled with surprises. Sip a cold coffee above the skyline or share a bowl of Ho Chi on the street.
So we'd like to see right there.
Go underground at the Ho Chi tunnels to experience Vietnam's wartime history firsthand. Return to Saigon's energy, museums, modern art galleries, or a rooftop drink with city lights stretching far beyond. Cruise through the Mekong winding waterways. Visit local workshops, fruit orchards, and stilt houses. This is a slower Vietnam, peaceful, fertile, welcoming. Enjoy a final stroll, a last bowl of noodles, or a quiet coffee before departure. Leave not just with photos, but with stories you'll return to again and again. 12 days, countless memories, but your journey doesn't have to end here. Want a trip shaped around you? Let us help you build your own Vietnam story. Wherever you want to go, will help you make it unforgettable.